So I received a package from Foxy Famous. So here is what I got in the package. A Lotus Herbals Radiant Platinum Facial Kit and a face mask from the brand It's Skin. So it came in a very environment friendly packaging. As you can see, there is no plastic involved in the packaging. Hey everyone, my name is Shreya, and if you are watching my face for the very first time, you can click down on the red subscribe button below and follow me on my Instagram. Today we are reviewing this product by Lotus Herbals. It is the Radiant Platinum Rejuvenating Cellular Anti-Aging Facial Kit. It's best suited for all skin types. So it comes with a 4-step kit. Here it is. So as we all know, लॉकडाउन चल रहा है और हम में से कोई भी बाहर जाके अपना फेशियल नहीं करवा सकता. ये बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टास्क हो चुका है. इस वजह से हम एक ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड्स को आजकल ट्राई आउट कर रहे हैं, जिससे इजीली हम घर बैठे बैठे अपना फेशियल इजीली कर पाएं. सो लोटस की इस किट में जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है वो है हमारा क्लेंजिंग स्क्रब. तो मैं लाइटली अपने फेस को डैम्प कर रही हूँ इस स्पंज से. आप एलोवेरा और पानी का मिक्सचर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इसको हमें अच्छे से अपने फेस पे सर्कुलर मोशंस पे स्क्रब कर लेना है कि हमारे फेस पे जितना भी डर्ट है, जितना भी पोल्यूशन है, वो रिमूव हो जाए. I got it for 350 rupees only. And all you need is approximately 45 minutes to complete your facial at home. If you use it efficiently, you can use it for 2 times. So second step mentions take 5-7 drops of the activator and then apply on the face and massage for 2-3 minutes. Here is the activator. Now I'm going to massage it gently on my face for 2-3 minutes. Next step is massage cream. हमको इसे अपने पूरे फेस पे, नेक पे सर्कुलर मोशन में मसाज करना है 10 to 15 मिनट्स के लिए. I guess this amount would be enough. Then it's still left in there. I am using my products very efficiently because I think it can be used for 2 times. Same step. पूरे फेस पे आप कहीं भी मसाज करो, हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि हमेशा वो अपवर्ड मोशन में होना चाहिए. ग्लो आ चुका है, but still there is one more step left in the process. Let's move on to that process. Step 4, which is the mask. Gently through my fingers, covering my whole face, leaving the eyebrows and my eyes untouched. Mentioned we have to let it dry, so let's wait for that. But until then, it's really burning on my face. If you want, you can always use it for single use, but if you use it efficiently, it can definitely be used for another time. So during facial, you could use a cloth for wiping off your face again and again, or you could use a sponge like this, which is always used by the parlor ladies for the facial. And you can keep a bowl full of water with you. It will be really easy for you to clean your face after each and every step. You won't have to run to the washroom to clean your face, and it still stings a little bit. So let's wait for it to dry. So it stings my face a little bit, that's why I'm applying a piece of ice. Other than that, this product is really good. I feel my skin is totally hydrated and it feels soft and cleansed. This is a really good alternative. I can't spend $1,000 of my hard-earned cash in the parlors every month. It's better to spend an hour in home doing this by yourself rather than going to a parlor which is not practically safe during this situation. My face is feeling so fresh right now. So if you like my video, hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. Like it and share it, and also follow me on my Instagram. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video.